Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super crispy, super tasty spring rolls stuffed with Maggi. So let's get started. We're going to first make the dough for our spring roll, and for that we need some maida, about 1 cup of maida and half a cup of atta. This again totally depends on you. If you want to make it full maida or full atta, go for it, not an issue. We're adding half a teaspoon of salt, some oil for binding, and now I'm just gonna add enough water to form this into a nice dough. So once the dough starts to come together like this, I'm just adding a little bit more oil and making the dough a bit more soft. So once the dough is well kneaded, I'm just coating it with some oil on all sides, and I'm going to cover it and let it rest for about 30 minutes while we get started with our stuffing for the spring rolls. So I'm just taking a big wok and I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of oil in that, and I'm going to wait for it to heat up well, and then I'm going to go ahead with the ingredients. So I'm taking 3 chopped green chilies, loads of garlic, around 15 cloves, and an inch of ginger. So these 3 are the main flavoring ingredients for our stuffing, so add loads of it. So once I let it saute for about a minute, I'm just gonna add some salt as well. That will make this cooking process faster. Now I'm just gonna add 2 sliced onions. And while the onions are cooking, I also boiled some Maggi. So I boiled these noodles for exactly 2 minutes. Don't overcook them. Then just drizzle them with some oil so that they don't stick together. So to the onions, I added 1 sliced green pepper and 2 packets of the Maggi taste maker. Then I'm adding some white pepper powder and some dark soy sauce. You can even use light soy sauce, it doesn't matter. And then I'm using the hot and sweet sauce by Maggi. If you don't have this, you can add ketchup instead. It's totally fine. Then I'm just going to mix it all together and make sure that the sauce is well coated with the vegetables. Then I'm just going to add the noodles into this wok and mix all of this together. Also gonna add this noodle masala by Kea. If you don't have it, it's totally fine. It's an optional ingredient. I'm just gonna sprinkle some water over the noodles and make sure that the masala is well coated with the noodles. So I've just transferred it to a bowl. I'm gonna let it cool for a bit. So as you can see, the dough is well rested now, and it's perfect, not too hard, not too soft. It's just the right consistency. So I'm just gonna take medium-sized roundels of this dough and I'm gonna roll it out into roti shapes. So don't roll it to be too thin or too thick. It should be like this, as you're seeing on the screen. And now we're gonna begin the stuffing process. So take a little bit of the noodles and place it on one end, and then we're going to start rolling from one end to the other. So as you can see, I'm starting this rolling process from one end. I'm tucking both the sides inwards, again rolling it, applying some water on the edges, and just sealing everything nice and tight. So here's a close-up for you guys to see it more clearly. So I'm placing the noodles. I start the rolling from one end. I tuck both sides inwards into the middle. I roll it once more. I apply water on the edges. I roll it for the final time and seal all the openings. That's it. So now I'm just gonna fry this till it's golden brown and crispy. You can even air fry them. It's It's totally fine. Just look at that golden brown color. It's so crunchy and so tasty, guys. And such an easy recipe as well. So I'm just gonna cut them in half and show it to you guys. So the final and the most important step is to sprinkle this with some chaat masala that adds a very nice flavor. So there you have it, your spring rolls are ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.